Well guys, time to go car camping. Got the car all loaded up guys, going car camping. It's probably going to be cold, but it's going to be a good time. Looking forward to it. It's been a while since I've done a car camp and it's nice to mix things up every now and again. I've just got to go get some groceries before we leave the city here. Yeah, don't need much. I just need a couple of ingredients for what we're cooking tonight. Come on, traffic lights. It's a grey day here. Well, I think there's supposed to be some rain, maybe some wind or something later on, but yeah, just want to get out and have a bit of fun in the old car here. I got some groceries. Naughty and bought some hot chips. Cheers. Turning around quickly. Realised I haven't filled up. I got no petrol. Can't really go very far. So I'm just taking a quick detour to go to the nearest petrol station, get some fuel. Good thing I didn't drive much further. Alright, well, we've made it to the campsite. Yeah, I'm all parked up. I found a pretty good spot. I'm pretty level on the ground here. Yeah, no, it should be good. Should be good. I'll get out and show you around. Not bad are the mountains there. A little bit of snowy ice on the ground. Not much though. Hello. Just taking a minute to get set up here, guys. I'm going to get my lights on the go. So I've got my big old power bank. And I just need to get the cables. I believe this is the correct one. Alright, why aren't you working? I really didn't test things before I left. I just assumed everything would be working. It's been a while though. There we go, now they work. So why wasn't this working? Is my demo broken? Oh, we have lights now. How's it going? You can see me a bit better. But I would like the dimmer to work. Oh. It worked. I don't know what I did. I did something. Lights work and we can dim them. Cool. Wow, that really messes up the camera there. What about if I go full? It does not like anything lower. Look at that. Alright, well, we'll just boom. Alright, cool. Got the lights sorted. Right, so we've got everything set up now, we've got the lights and everything. I'll just give you a quick rundown of what we've got. So, I'm lying on the mattress. It's just a mattress. This is my sleeping bag. It's my real nice cold one, so it should be good for tonight. We've got this table. This is just a breakfast table, but it works pretty well in here. Over there we just got some extra water. My battery bank, which I forgot to charge, so there's not a heap of battery in here. But, Right, so battery is powering these lights up here. In this box we've got just all my food and most of my camping supplies really. Over here, that's the front of the car. There's my other camera. Extra light, book and tablet and charger and bits and bobs there. Pillows. Oh, and this is my fridge. I'm not using it tonight, but yeah, that's my fridge. I'd normally power it with that. Oh, and over here we have me temperature thermometer, temperature gauge. So currently we're looking at 5.3 degrees outside. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how cold it gets. So yeah, that can set up there. So yeah, that's the setup. Pretty basic. I used to have a big frame and stuff in here, if you've seen some of my older car camping videos, but I took that out and I quite like this setup, a bit more minimal. I just kind of load it up when I want to go camping in it, and yeah, a lot more headroom as well. Like, I got tons of room in here, so yeah, should be good. Alrighty guys, I'm going to start cooking dinner. So for tonight, going to be doing, making a ramen bowl. So I've got some noodles. I'm going to be making my own broth. So I don't need a seasoning pack or anything. So we've just got some 2-minute noodles. And a couple other bits and bobs. This is just a recipe I found off the internet. I've only got one stove at the moment, so one burner. So we're just going to have to be smart about the order that do things in. And just to put any, just to put your mind at rest. Windows are cracked, and I have a carbon monoxide detector. So we're all good in that department. Alright, so I'm going to need some garlic. Garlic. I'm going to throw the mushrooms and carrots in. Throw all of it in. Yep, I'll call those good. Alright, so in this pot we're going to throw the vegetable stock. Get that in there. Let's throw some ginger in there, some soy sauce, and some of this sweet chili sauce. Not heaps because I don't want it super hot. It's quite nice though. Oh, it's spicy though. Jeez. Yeah. I don't handle spice that well. I'm going to call that good. So we'll pull it off and we'll get this water on the go. That one on the go. Alright, and start the timer for 5 minutes. Let's get that egg out of there. Got some cold water to put it in here. So we'll just leave that alone. And we'll cook our noodles. So, got Maggi 2-minute noodles here. Flavor packet, we don't need that. Alright, I'm calling the noodles done. So let's get those off there. Just going to throw this broth on for a minute again. To heat it up a bit. Alright, the egg's not cooked. I cooked it to the time frame that the instruction said, so I don't know what I did wrong, but I mean, I normally cook an egg for longer, but I was trying to get the yolk nice and runny. It'll still be good. Yeah, we'll just toss it on top. It'll be fine. I wasn't trying to get the yolk runny, sorry. I was trying to get it a bit jammy. It'll be fine though. Oh no. God. Alright, the lid's outside. Jeez. I lost a few noodles, but that's alright. Didn't lose too many. Let's just get them in the broth now. That's dinner, guys. Got a Boundary Road APA. So we'll crack this baby. Cheers. That's good. Yeah, no, that is nice. Man, was that good. That was awesome. Alright, that was a good dinner. I actually really enjoyed that. Definitely going to be making it again. Next time I won't stuff up the egg. Of course I would manage that. But anyway, I'm going to get to tidy up a bit. What the hell? Why is this canister leaking? These are self-sealing canisters. It should not be leaking. Alright, stop now. Keep an eye on that. This is a brand new canister as well. Never had a problem with these ones. Or I've never had a problem with any actually. But yeah, just gonna tidy up a bit. Things have gone out of control. I'm gonna go rescue my lid. Gotta rinse the dishes. No, this is a fun time. It's always nice I always enjoy mixing up the trips. You know, a bit of hiking, bit of bushcraft and camping, and bit of car camping. Always fun. Always love it. Love all of it. Yeah, I enjoy making these videos. Wouldn't be doing it otherwise. I appreciate you guys watching it. It's cool to have. It's really cool to have people watching and enjoying them. And I hope I entertain you a bit, or maybe you learn something. Maybe how to not stuff up an egg. I don't know, or how to stuff up an egg. Time to go rescue my lid. What? There the noodles are lost, and there's my lid. Currently 1.2 degrees outside. My toes are cold. It's just above 0 degrees. That time is wrong. It's actually an hour forward. There's a little bit of rain outside. But I'm going to bed, so good night. Morning guys. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Still pretty dark outside. But yeah, you might be able to see behind me there. It's snowing. We got some snow in the night. It's about 0 degrees. Yeah, it stayed nice and warm, so it's good. But yeah, we got some snow, so that's pretty cool. Oh, it's slushy. Oh god, it's real slushy. But look, oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. That's cool as. Bit of a winter wonderland right now. Trees are covered in it. Alright, just getting set up for breakfast here guys. It's pretty simple this morning. Just having a egg fried sandwich. Or fried egg sandwich. So we've got our eggs here. got some bread, and yeah, just a quick simple breakfast. Ow! Alright, that went horribly wrong. Jeez Louise. Oh my god. Alright. That was a close one. I almost had egg everywhere. Let's just take that off there. Welcome to Cooking with Zeb, guys. It's always an interesting time. Okay, that's a bit better. Throw this back on the heat. Cheers guys, thank you for watching. Where are my window wipers? Where? Oh no. They're frozen. Right, let's turn them off. Flippin' heck. This is a new environment for me. Oh. Alright, well if you couldn't tell, snow's a bit of a new environment for me, especially in a car. I have never really experienced it. Yes, and now I'm worried that we might get stuck here. We'll see. I do have four-wheel drive, but I'm just gonna wait for the windscreen to clear and everything so I can actually see what I'm doing. And then yeah, we'll see if I can get out of here. I'll keep you guys updated because it'll be interesting. But I just gotta get down this bank bit that I drove up to be on this camping spot. So yeah, it'll be interesting. While my car's warming up, I'll give you a quick rundown on where I've got to drive. So I've got to come along here and you can see the footprints here. That's basically where I've got to drive. Down here, and that's a little bit of a bank, and the road is there, and it looks pretty icy. So yeah, this could be a wee bit sketchy, but I don't really have a choice. I got somewhere to be this afternoon, so hopefully we can get out of there safely. Yeah, I'll just take it real slow, but just waiting for the car to warm up. Okay, we're looking good. Made it on the road. Jesus. Well, guys, we're on the road now, or pretty much on the road. It wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. Just took my time and it was fine. But yeah, this is a really fun trip. I wasn't actually expecting it to snow, or at least this much. I knew there was a bit of rain or something coming, but I wasn't sure what was going to happen, really. But yeah, it's actually been really fun. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this trip. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.